Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1965 Land Rover Series 2. It's a forward control one, so it's not an SUV, it's more like a truck, I guess. It's from Matchbox Collectors, so you can expect better details, rubber tires, and nicer wheels. I think it's new for 926, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 65 Series 2 out of its box, and first thing we notice is this very unique paint, black with this very different design which I haven't seen before. On the driver's side, you have the Land Rover written on the front, Matchbox. I don't know what kind of design it is, but you get some cool silver accent around windows, door, step, and awning. The wheels are multi-spoke, tires are rubber rather than the plastic one you see on the regular Matchbox or Matchbox moving part. Coming on the front, you've got some nice details. You've got a headlamp which are painted, turn indicator, running lamps. You also got this grille, again finished in chrome, black plastic bumper. You also got both the windshield wipers, no mirrors. On the passenger side, it looks almost identical. You've got a bunch of running lamps, as you can see, orange ones. You don't have the door on this side, but you have a door on the other side. These are the vents for, I think, different appliances used in an RV. And well, I can't really figure out what this paint is, but it looks good. You got Matchbox on this box here. I don't know what these two outlets are for. Going on the back, again, you got some nice details. You got this ladder that goes on the top. You got these two cylinders, I'm assuming for some kind of gas. On the top, you got an AC unit here, and you got this sunroof which you can actually open and look inside. It also has a door which opens up, so just like the moving part. It opens up and you can see the interior, full interior in there. And you've got a bed, a few chairs, I don't know what else, I can't figure out. But unlike some of the Matchbox collectors I have, this one has a plastic base. It has a door. So this one is actually almost similar to the moving parts, apart from the wheels and tires. Everything else, I mean, it has a different color, but it doesn't look very different. In fact, I will make a short video just to compare these two and see if they're like I can show any difference. Well, it's still a good casting, but I'm a bit disappointed because I expected more than what I see here. But if you haven't got the moving part, it's still a great casting. The details are a bit different, but I was expecting more. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.